But we do have a lot of other important updates that are coming in as well in terms of FNO, which are the important stocks to watch out for. So we'll set you up for trade in today's session. We have a team of research joining in with us. Sudarshan is here for that as well. Good morning, Sudarshan. But before I come to you, let me just take them through what is going to be happening in terms of the market. We do have the D Street, which actually managed to close with gains in yesterday's trading session as well. So good run-up that we saw in the last couple of trading sessions. Yesterday also we had seen most of the Nifty 50 stocks closing in the green. Now Nifty closed with gains of more than 500, around 500 points. Sensex was with more than gains of 1,500 points. And mid and small cap, that saw an outperformance coming in yesterday's trading session as well. All the sectors managed to close in the green. Now today what we could see maybe, or what could impact also, one, do not forget yesterday we saw FIIs actually coming in and buying in the domestic market. So FIIs were net buyers of around 6,065 crore rupees. After 9 trading sessions of a sell, they are net buyers this time. So that'll be interesting to watch out for. And is this going to be a trend that will continue going forward? Now, Trump tariffs, a lot of updates have come in overnight on that front as well. New orders that are passed on. So that is something we'll keep an eye out on in terms of impact of that. CPI inflation data in the month of March, we've seen that easing and coming to a 3.34% on a year-on-year basis is what we've seen. So keep an eye out on that impact for the Indian markets. Q4 earnings like Wipro, Angel One are something that we're watching out for as well. Nifty implied open, a bit of a cooling off is what we're seeing, down 64 points as of now is the indication coming in for the opening for the Indian markets. But yes, that's how the trade setup is looking like. But important stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. So Darshan, which are the key ones to watch out for today? Good morning.
Good morning, Vinny. So we'll start with companies which have reported earnings after the market hours yesterday. We'll start with ICICI Lombard, which has reported a healthy set of earnings. Net earned premium has risen 20% year-on-year. Also, combined ratio has come largely in line with estimates. It was up 20 basis points and has come in at 102.5% year-on-year. Next is ICICI Prudential. It has reported a mixed set of earnings. APE, that is annualized premium equivalent, has missed estimates, while VNB margin has come in higher than estimates. It was up 120 basis points, while APE was down 3%. IREDA, it was a good Q4. AUM was up 28% year-on-year and up 11% sequentially. NIA has also risen 57% year-on-year, and on a sequential basis, it was up 22%. For IndusInd Bank, company has received report from the external agency on derivative portfolio discrepancies that company had reported a few months ago. And as per that agency, negative impact is seen as almost 2,000 crore, which is almost 2.3% of its net worth. Next is Gensol Engineering. SEBI has published interim order against the company and promoters. SEBI will be appointing forensic auditor to examine its books. Also, SEBI has barred its promoters from dealing in the securities for next few months or until the next order. Next is City Gas companies. Now, all the major city gas companies like IGL, MGL and Adani Total Gas have announced that APM gas allocation has been reduced further. It has been reduced by 18%. Now, from total allocation, which currently stands at 51%, it will be reduced to around 40%. So these are some of the major stocks that will be in focus going into trade today.
Okay, important stocks to watch out for there. But Sudarshan, could you also tell us what are we watching out for in the world of FNO? What are the important cues there?
So yesterday we saw that it was a good day of trade, and Indian market has recovered all the losses that it had seen after the Trump had announced tariff hike on April 2nd. It was a huge gain that we have seen in last few sessions. Yesterday also we saw that all the frontline indices posting healthy gains, so in the range of 2 to 3%. All the sectoral indices were in the green, while volatility index was down almost 20%. But for today, GIFT Nifty, following the global cues, is indicating a start with minor cuts. GIFT Nifty is currently down almost 60 to 65 points. Now, talking about the flows, yesterday we have seen a huge buying by FIs. They have bought more than rupees 6,000 crore, while it was a minor sell figure by DIs, which have sold nearly 2,000 crore. If you come in the derivative side, also in the index futures, FIs have bought almost 2,300 crore, and they have added long positions of more than 4,100 contracts and reduced short positions by almost 10,000 contracts. Now FI's long exposure has increased further and now it's at 28%. Coming to the option side, 23,400 call and 23,500 call have seen healthy additions, while on the put side we have seen additions majorly in 23,300 and 23,000. With this, support is now seen somewhere around 23,050 and resistance is around 23,400, which is also 100 DMA. Lastly, stocks in focus, there are 4 stocks in the band and those remain Birlasoft, Hindustan Copper, Manappuram and Nalco.
Okay, Sudarshan, thank you so much for that. Keeping an eye out on those names in the world of F&O as well.